Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving to the University of the West Indies, Mona campus. So we're actually in the Mona area now and we're going to be heading towards the university. Now UWI, as it's called, University of the West Indies, it's one of the top universities in the world. I think it's in the top 10% or 15% of the universities in the world, but it's also the largest university in Jamaica and it's the #1 university in Jamaica. So we're going to take a quick tour through UWI. Now this is the Mona area. On the left it's a residential area, and because the university is so large, a lot of students rent a room or a house in the Mona area. So Mona, the residential part of Mona, which is on the left, is very popular for persons renting to university students. Sometimes it's a room, sometimes it's a whole house. Now the UWI is very big. Sometimes they have as much as 25,000 people on the campus or passing through the campus every day. This was obviously before COVID, when times kind of, a lot more online learning now. But it's a very busy campus between faculty and students, and so we are actually on Mona Road now. We're driving towards the campus. On the right, I think that's Water Commission's land. I think that's the Hermitage Dam over there. Okay, so the university campus actually starts on the left now, where you see that fence. Okay, that building on the right is also a part of the university. Now this gate here on the left is for persons that have the UWI stickers. Basically students, teachers, they can use that gate to enter. However, if you don't have the sticker, you have to use the gate by the post office. So we don't have a sticker, so we're going to use the post office gate. On the right is College Commons. A lot of the professors or university persons affiliated with the university live over there. Now if we continued straight on this road, we would go towards Augustown, but we're going to turn left here and enter. Okay, it looks like they've put back in the sticker, what you call it now, the pass. So you need a pass to enter. But I never realized you go back to this system.
Yeah.
Alright. So because of COVID, they had actually stopped giving out the passes when you come in. It's like a card, and when you're leaving, you have to present it to the security to leave. But because of COVID, they had stopped it, so I'm kind of surprised that they've gone back to it, because the COVID numbers are on the rise again. But nonetheless, the system is back in place. So when you drive to the gate, the security gives you a card. What he should have done is given us the card before he opened the gate. But he opened the gate, and then I saw, when I was driving off, I saw him holding up the card. So that's why we stopped. So when we go to leave now, we're going to present that card back to the security when we're exiting. Alright, so this is the UWI campus. It's a very large campus, and on the other side of the campus is the University of the West Indies Hospital. It's a different gate, a different entrance. And that is, I don't know if it's the largest hospital in Jamaica. I think KPH is the largest hospital. But it's definitely very popular. If it's not the largest, well, then again, there's Cornwall Regional. Honestly, I have no idea which the ranking of the largest hospitals in Jamaica. But I think KPH is number 1, and Cornwall Regional Hospital, it's a huge hospital too, so I'm not sure. But in the St. Andrew area, UWI is definitely the most popular hospital. I'm going to check it out because I'm not sure if it's a public hospital, or not sure how it works, because at one time the government was giving free healthcare, and then another time you heard if you go to UWI you have to pay, so I'm not sure. Okay, but we're going to continue our tour of the UWI campus. We're heading towards Ring Road now, which is basically a circle that goes around the campus. So it's basically the main road for the campus. Okay, on the right you have Scotia Bank, and I think there's quite a few food places up here too. They even have a supermarket. Okay, so we're on Ring Road now. On the left is the, let me give you the correct name, Mary Seacole Hall. On the right is the Student Union. Now they have a lot of restaurants up here, a lot of food places. You have Juicy Patties, you have KFC. I don't think there's a Burger King on campus. Okay, I'm almost sure this is a one-way, so I'm not sure what this car is doing. Unbelievable. This is a one-way. Unbelievable, the indiscipline on the Jamaican roads. This is a one-way. So the sign one-way. Now you see, if they had put up the metal spikes here, that car would not be able to do that. But because they don't have the metal spikes, just indiscipline everywhere. Okay. Now when I say metal spikes, look at they remove them here. But they used to have, so if you brake the one way, you would basically puncture your car tires. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.